Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Rayshawn, known as Ray News on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is that on this video's episode of What's in the Box. Now, I'm about to go on and tell you guys what's in the box right here. So, I got me this Murray Feiss ceiling fan in the vintage bronze finish from the ceiling fan collector that goes by his YouTube username of Aiden Ceiling Fan Corner. Now, this is a Murray Feiss ceiling fan, my very first Murray Feiss ceiling fan I got, and that ceiling fan looks that ceiling fan looks almost something like what a Regency Lafayette ceiling fan would look like. That's what that Murray Feiss ceiling fan looks like. Saw what a Regency Lafayette ceiling fan would look like. So other than that, I'm about to go on and open up this box here. Hold on. Hold on, you guys. There's a blooper going on. I thought I was gonna be able to do it with the key. Hold on, you guys. Yeah, so here's the canopy that go to the ceiling fan. I think this is like a weather brick bronze or something. And he did put a polished brass down rod inside the thing. And the reason why I'm using a polished brass down rod is because the original down rod, the down rod that this fan originally came with from when he got it was way long and all that stuff. So that's why he put a shorter down rod inside the box and stuff. And then here's the motor that actually go to this fan. Now this fan got damaged in shipping and stuff, as you can see. The motor housing all bent and stuff. But I'ma see, but this really ain't nothing for me. All I gotta do is bend it back and all that stuff. So this ain't really nothing. Then it's missing that little that plug thing right here. And I'm about to see if I can fix this up. Good. There. Okay, this was a quick fix. And then so I'm about to go on and show you guys the information. So due to the fact that the file number for this fan is E75795, this ceiling fan was made by Air Cool, and this ceiling fan was made in Taiwan back in March of 1997. And because it was manufactured back in March of 1997, that means it was manufactured back in March of 25 years ago. But it actually works still. It still actually works and stuff. But as I already seen the video, him testing his fan out before. So other than that, little, that the blades on this fan got some damages to it and all that stuff. But this damage doesn't really look bad as I thought it would look. And then this other side kind of look clean. So this is actually the walnut side, and this is actually the oak side. Same thing for here. Yeah. Then it got some nicks on here right here. These nicks really ain't nothing to me. These nicks right here. Then here are the blade brackets that actually go to the fan here. Now these blade brackets right here, now I actually like the fact that these blade brackets here are the kind of blade brackets that you will see on some of the Kodak ceiling fans, like the Kodak ceiling fan called the Ever Muster. And a lot of these styles of the blade brackets are being used on a lot of Encon ceiling fans, like the Encon Georgian, Encon Imperial, Encon Monterey, Encon. What other Encon ceiling fans use these blade brackets? And these blade brackets was also used on some Hampton Bay ceiling fans called the Portsmouth and the St. Clair, and some Harbor Breeze ceiling fans called the Bayside and the New Orleans that use the style of blade brackets like these, and some Harbor Breeze ceiling fans called the Sandebills. So other than that, I ain't gonna try to make this video all long and stuff. And then other than that, I really don't have anything else to say. So I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Ray Nizzle, aka Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999, signing out this video, and I'm out this video. Oh, and P.S. What I forgot to tell you is that this ceiling fan is 3 speeds and is electrically reversible, and it features a forward and a reverse switch and a 3-speed pull chain switch. And it also has some extra long wires and stuff. But as I see the evidence that the gentleman actually cut the wire short right here. But ain't that much of a big deal anyway. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video, and I am out.